Years ago, my friend introduced me to Ayurveda and the incredible health benefits of spices like turmeric, ginger, and Ceylon cinnamon. So this recipe brings together all of those powerful ingredients and flavors in a creamy, spiced, golden milk enhanced with C60 Power Cinnamon MCT Coconut Oil with BOBA. That's right, with BOBA. So instead of using traditional tapioca, we're using C60 gummies cut into circles for the BOBA. How cute is that? Now, to avoid seed oils, you want to make sure that the coconut milk that you're using in this recipe doesn't have any additives or preservatives to ensure the best flavor and the highest quality nutrition. I'm here with all my ladies, all my single ladies, and we are making their favorite beverage in life, right? Who loves boba? Say, hell yeah! All right, we all love boba so much, but you know that there is so much sugar in it, so we're gonna make a C60 powered cinnamon coconut MCT oil boba today. The things that we need some canned coconut organic milk. We need obviously the C60 Power MCT cinnamon oil. And then we're going to use some cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger that we've already pre-mixed into here. So you guys are going to help me make the boba. The way that we're making the boba is using the C60 Power Gummies, which are so rich in antioxidants and don't have a lot of the added crap and stuff in it. So we're gonna make the boba out of little tiny pieces of the C60 gummies. Unwrap 2 of these gummies and take a straw and poke out the hole, and then you can just poke it out like that. And there's our boba. Boop, boop. And if the can of milk is cold, you're just gonna wanna cut it out. I'm going to spoon it out into my pot here and just get it warmed up. It's starting to turn into actual milk instead of a clumpy mess of coconut protein. All right, time to put the turmeric, ginger, and Ceylon cinnamon into the coconut milk. We're just gonna whisk it all together. 2 cups of coconut milk and all of the ingredients. That's gonna make this beautiful dish even more delicious and nutritious. We're adding 2 tablespoons of C60 Power Cinnamon Coconut MCT oil now that it's cooled. So there's 1. And here's number 2. I'm gonna stir that in. Now all these ladies are going to get cups with ice and then put their boba in it.
Whoa.
I did it. All right.
Just use this.
Look, it makes, I made a double batch.
I'm using the other one.
Yeah.
That's really good. That's so good.